So I think there's a whole range of ways you can use mobile technologies to support students. And one of the most effective ways that I've used mobile learning is with the students' own devices. I mean, obviously you get permission for students to have their mobile phone numbers. And it's worked particularly well with major projects or dissertations where students are doing a significant piece of work over a period of time. What the students really want is some really basic skills and ideas about what they should be doing as they're going through it. And so what I did with that was I sent a text message to the whole student group once a week. The particular instance I'm talking about here was they started in September and they had to submit in May. And I modelled the weekly text message on the kind of thing they should be thinking about in terms of planning and doing their writing. So the first few texts were very much about brainstorming and planning. Then we moved on to how you do a literature review. I put in things like when the librarians were running drop-in workshops. Then as we kind of got towards Christmas and they had to put their ethics application in, we had some little text messages went out about that. After Christmas, we started to talk about collecting data, about looking at interviews, looking at focus groups, looking at surveys, and sort of had little information snippets going out on that. And then as we got towards Easter, we started to look at how do you proofread, how do you edit, how do you put something nice together. And they really, really just appreciated that weekly little reminder, just like that little drip feed about the kind of thing they should be doing. The mobile interventions are surprisingly easy. Once you've got a spreadsheet of the students' mobile phone numbers, and then you've got a list of the messages you want to send out, and basically I did mine term time only, so I had 12 in semester A, 12 in semester B, a couple of welcome and a couple of concluding ones. So I had my 30 messages planned. We scheduled it all. I had a learning technologist that supported me, and it took about an hour to put everything up and to syndicate it for the whole of the year.